First, fill the plate with a thin layer of water, less than an inch deep is plenty. Then, sprinkle the pepper onto the water. Finally, when I dip my finger, the pepper sticky to my finger. I took a drop of soap liquid and dipped my finger to the water. Now we observe that pepper molecules are pulled further away from the finger. Pepper is a hydrophobic or doesn't dissolve or mix into water. Since water molecules are strongly attracted to each other or have a high surface tension, it keeps the pepper afloat. Adding soap breaks down the surface tension and has the water molecules spread out away from the soap. They brings the pepper with them.
For this experiment, we use salt, water and 1.5 voltage battery. Electrolysis process by which electric current is passed through a substance to effect a chemical change. In this experiment, sodium chloride is used. The chlorine gas is from the chloride. The oxygen in the hydroxyl ions stay in the solution. So what is released in this reaction is not oxygen, but it is chlorine gas that collects around the electrode tip.
Now take a glass and add water to it. Then put a lemon to it. We can see that the lemon sinks in the water because lemon has higher density than water, so it is sinking. Now take one more glass which contain water in it. Then add few spoons of salt. Then mix it well. It is a salt solution. Now add a lemon to it. Now we can see that the lemon floats in a solution of salt because salt makes higher density and lemon contain lesser density than the solution, so it is floating.
Hello, my name is Ishana. I am going to show an experiment on the turmeric powder which changes its color when base solution is added to it. Take a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and add some water to it. Stir the solution continuously. See that the color is yellow. Now add some detergent powder to the solution and stir it continuously. Observe that the color yellow changes to red. Now add some turmeric juice to the solution. See that the solution turns once again to yellow. Turmeric is a natural indicator. Turmeric is yellow in color. Turmeric solution turns reddish brown with base. Turmeric does not change color with acid. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Today I am going to perform an experiment, water on fire. For this experiment, I need a glass of water and then I'll add nail polish into it. After that, I'll try to burn it using a matchbox. As you can observe that the nail polish catches fire. This is because nail polish contains ingredients of acetone and it is a flammable substance. Thank you.
An indicator is a substance which changes color when the solution turns acidic or basic. Turmeric is a natural indicator. Take lemon juice in one bowl and take soap powder in another bowl. Add turmeric solution to each bowl. Observe the color that changes. Adding turmeric solution in soap powder changes to red-orange. We see no change in the solution of lemon juice. Thank you.
Love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly?
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.
This experiment is based on acid and base. For this experiment, we require water, turmeric, detergent and lemon. In this glass, I am adding 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and water. Now the solution is yellow in color. As I am adding detergent and mixing it thoroughly, you can observe that the color again changes to red. It shows turmeric is an indicator which indicates bases, and when we add turmeric and the base, here use this detergent, it turns red color. Here again I am squeezing lemon to the solution and observe the change in color. So I can conclude from this experiment, adding turmeric, lemon and detergent, it becomes neutral because lemon is acid